What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Hold up, as I'm going through this footage, I can see that the clips, they're really confusing and everything. But what you need to know is I went through two keyboards. The first one I returned and went with the second one. You'll see exactly why in the rest of this video, but that's just to clear everything up. Today is going to be another unboxing and first impressions, just like this monitor that you could see right here. And today, we're going to continue upgrading our setup by going with this brand new RGB backlit Reddragon keyboard. Guys, let me just tell you a little bit about this keyboard. So this keyboard is the Reddragon Surara mechanical gaming keyboard. I got this on a pretty good deal for around $30 on Prime Day, and you guys can still pick this up on a Black Friday sale or something similar, but I'm pretty sure MSRP for this is around $60. So a little bit about this: it does have it is RGB backlit with a bunch of settings and software where you could change that up. And it has mechanical key switches. It has the red ones, so it's going to be a lot quieter. I personally like that, and honestly, you don't really want a super loud keyboard. So that's pretty much it. And it's a full-size keyboard, so it has this number pad over here. So let's just get right into the unboxing.
I don't need nobody but me. But me, nobody. Listen, now you're gone back, and I want you back. Cause things I ever said, regret seeing that. Funny how I never saw it before. I guess sometimes gotta walk out the door. Don't always seem to go. You don't know what you got till it's gone. Don't always seem to go that you don't know what you got till it's gone. I do need somebody.
Alright guys, I just wanted to go over some of the stuff that comes in the box. There's this really cool Reddragon sticker. It looks really nice. Along with that, there's the instruction manual, and there's a keycap puller and a switch puller. But you'll see in the other keyboard, it only comes with a keycap puller. Okay guys, here is a little up close look at this keyboard. And so far, here, it's been feeling really smooth. Don't worry about the random window sounds coming. I still have to set up this keyboard. But for now, this is really what it looks like. And here, I'm just gonna get a little sound test so that you could compare this. Let's test that out. Alright guys, so at this point in the video, I'm just going to go over a little sound test and almost how the different key switches feel between the red and the brown switches. And this is quite clearly the reason why I switched to the other keyboard. The red switches, they just, like when typing on them, my hands got really tired. That isn't for everyone, but I just didn't have any feedback there. And that's mainly why I switched over to the brown switch keyboard, which is also Reddragon, which I'll show you next in this video. Okay guys, I just want to make it clear that these are all my opinions on the different types of switches. I just prefer the better feedback from the brown switches, and I feel like that makes it a lot easier to type, and as well with gaming. But obviously the red switch keyboard was much nicer because red and blue switches, those are by far the most common. You'll find the most different amounts of keyboards that way. But with the brown switches, I just like them way better. They're not as loud as the blue switches, and they have a similar feedback. So just take that into consideration. With the red switches, there's obviously going to be quite a noticeable sound when you're bottoming out each key. And I felt like I was really bottoming out the red keys like almost all the time. Even though they have way nicer LEDs across, even though they're both Reddragon keyboards, they're pretty different. And with the RGB lighting that I have on this keyboard, it's just straight rows. There's no like variation between the colors. But I'm willing to take that in order to get the better switches. And that's really it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.